when something goes wrong, most people panic first and think about insurance later. But at Insure All The Way, filing a claim is way simpler than you can think or even imagine. Let me walk you through the process. The first thing you should do is document everything. Take pictures and videos of the incident so you can see what exactly happened. Once that is done, reach out to your insurance broker immediately, letting them know what has happened. Now you can do this by either calling us or sending an email, or better still, you can log on to your dashboard. And what you do there is tell us exactly what happened and where it happened. You can also upload supporting documents or evidence of what happened. You can upload receipts, proof of ownership, or even police reports. That is in case of theft or vandalism. From there, your assigned agent would reach out to you to get the damage inspected and assessed. This is usually done by a loss adjuster. Then they will give you an estimate of repairs or an estimate of your payout. From there, you'll be told what your payout will be. And that's it. Very simple, very straight to the point. At Insure All The Way, we've made filing a claim so seamless and so straightforward. Now follow us for more tips on insurance. See you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.